Do you dream of growing long, luscious, and healthy hair? You're not alone. Hair growth doesn't just depend on genetics. It's also about how you nourish and care for your hair. In today's video, I'll share 5 powerful herbal remedies that can help you achieve the hair of your dreams. Stick around to the end for an amazing bonus tip. Herbal remedies have been used for centuries to promote hair growth, improve scalp health, and prevent breakage. These remedies are natural, effective, and packed with nutrients your hair loves. First on the list is rosemary. Known as the ultimate hair growth herb, rosemary stimulates blood circulation to the scalp and helps prevent hair thinning. Massage rosemary oil onto your scalp or rinse your hair with rosemary-infused water. Fenugreek seeds are a game-changer. They're rich in proteins and nicotinic acid, which strengthen hair follicles. Soak the seeds overnight, blend them into a paste, and use it as a hair mask once a week. Aloe vera is the ultimate soothing herb. Its gel is packed with vitamins and enzymes that repair dead skin cells on your scalp, promoting faster and healthier hair growth. Hibiscus flowers are rich in amino acids and vitamin C, which strengthen roots and prevent premature graying. Use hibiscus tea as a rinse or mix the flowers with coconut oil for a nourishing mask. Amla is a powerhouse for hair health. It's loaded with vitamin C, antioxidants, and minerals that reduce hair fall and encourage thicker growth. Use amla oil or create a paste with amla powder for amazing results. To get the best results, consistency is key. Use these remedies 1 to 2 times a week and combine them with a healthy diet rich in proteins, omega-3s, and vitamins. Always do a patch test before trying a new herb to avoid any allergic reactions. As a bonus tip, try drinking herbal teas like nettle or horsetail. They're packed with silica and other nutrients that promote hair growth from the inside out. Ready to transform your hair naturally? Let me know in the comments which herbal remedy you're most excited to try. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon for more amazing hair care tips. Until next time, stay beautiful, stay natural.